Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your quotes preferences on the Webull application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Click on the menu icon down below on the right side corner of the screen. Go to the shortcuts section and tap on settings, which is the second option. Tap on the second button, quotes preference. Here you should select the display of combination, landscape or upper left corner. Then you should select the sort by feature, A to Z or Z to A. Then select the name and symbol options. Then the stock logo should be selected, as well as the price display, the up-down color, the ups-down animation, such as showing animation or no animation, and the refresh frequency. When you are done, you should just simply tap on this button in the upper left corner of the screen and all of the details will be updated. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.